Exercise 5.3, question number 3, 7th question in it. So, given A is equal to 8, Tn is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210, find N and D. So, A is equals to 8, Tn is equals to 62, Sn is equals to 210. We need to find N value and we need to find D value. To find D and N value, I have two information is given. One is Sn form value and Tn value. By using these two information, I am going to find N first. So I can take directly Sn because I don't have D and N, so I cannot take Tn value. I am going to take Sn. Sn is equals to N by 2 into A plus L. Why do I take L? Because I have last term, so I can consider this as L. So Sn is equals to N by 2, A is 8 plus L is 62. So what is Sn value? 210 is equals to N by 2. 8 plus 62 is 70. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 210 is equals to 35 into N. Now I need N value. So I'll take 210 by 35. So when I cancel this, I get 6. How do we get 210 divided by 35 as 6? 5 7s are 35. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. 7 1s are 7. 7 6 are 42. So that's for N is equal to 6. Now I got N value. Now I need to find D value. So for finding D value, I have Tn formula, that is A plus N minus 1 into D. T6 is equals to A is 8 plus N I have 6 minus 1 and D I need to find. So T6 value they are given 62. 8 plus 5D. Send this to the left hand side. 62 minus 8 is equal to 5D. 62 minus 8 gives us 54 is equals to 5D. So 54 divided by 5 is equals to D. Therefore, N is equals to 6 and D is equals to 54 by 5. 8th question, given Tn is equals to 4 and D is equals to 2, Sn is equals to minus 14. We need to find N value and A value. Now, by using Tn, I am going to get a variable. That variable I substitute to Sn formula. Okay, so first we'll start with Tn. Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Tn is 4 is equals to A is I don't know plus N I don't know. D is 2. So 4 is equal to A plus 2n minus 2. Send this minus to the left hand side. So 4 plus 2 is equals to A plus 2n. 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. A plus 2n. What I'm going to do, I'll keep A here and send this 2n to the left hand side. That gives us 6 minus 2n is equals to A. So I'll keep save this A variable and I'll label it as equation 1. Now I'll start solving for Sn. So Sn is equals to N by 2 A plus L. Why A plus L? Again, I have a last term, so I can take L as Tn value. So Sn is equals to N by 2 A value, that is 6 minus 2n plus L value is 4. What is Sn value they are given? Minus 14 is equals to N by 2. 6 plus 4, 10 minus 2n. Now take 2 common out, so which gives us 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are. So 2 get cancelled. So minus 14 is equals to 5 into n, 5n minus n square. Now I'll take this n square as a positive, so I'll shift to the left hand side. N square, I'll shift 5n also, so minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. So now we got a quadratic equation. I need to do a factorization for this quadratic equation. Okay. So n square minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. So we'll take the first and last value multiplication, that is minus 14n square. So what is the mid value that I get? Minus 5n. Tell me the factors so that I get 7 2s are 14. So 7 into n and n. But I need to get minus 5. So minus and plus. Plus into minus is minus. So bigger value minus sign. So 7n plus 2n. So I can write n square. I'll just group it in a different way. Plus 2n minus 7n minus 14 equals to 0. So I'll split this n into n plus 2 into n. So what is common? I can take n and n. So I can take n common. The remaining is n plus 2. So if I split 7 into n minus 7 into 2. So 7 common, as minus into minus becomes plus, so here it becomes minus. 7 common out, so minus into minus is plus, so n by 2. So whatever the value you're getting in the first bracket, same value will be repeated in the second bracket. So write down these two values, n plus 2 and n minus 7. Now therefore n plus 2 is equal to 0, n is equals to minus 2, then n minus 7 equals to 0, n is equal to 7. So now we already discussed minus value we are not going to consider because the nth value cannot be negative or a fraction. So we are going to consider n as positive 7. So now we are going to find a value by using Tn, a plus n minus 1 into t. Tn value they are given 4, a value I need to find, plus n value we got 7 minus 1, t is 2. So 4 is equals to a plus 6 into 2. 4 is equals to a plus 6 2s are 12. Shift the value. So 4 minus 12 is equals to a. So we get minus 8 is equals to a. So therefore n is equals to 7, a is equals to minus 8.